Hi, I'm Yuan Poh. I'm from St. Andrews Secondary School, now presently in St. Andrews Junior College. I attended EduEdge because I realized that my English grades were very terrible and I was not very confident in scoring for English. I remember that when I joined EduEdge, my lowest score was a C6, and at one point I recall that there was a D7 throughout my English journey, which then prompted me to wake up and get some things right. So I had no experience in any English learning centers before, so EduEdge was the first for me, it was the start, and I'm very glad to say that I had a very wonderful journey here with my EduEdge teachers. In EduEdge, throughout my experience in EduEdge, I found that the teachers were very different from school, because I believe that throughout my journey, I think, as I recall, you can only find patient, caring teachers, English teachers of course, in EduEdge, who can really train you well, guide you well, and bring you up to the standard which you should be. And in school, it's very rare to find such teachers, and there's even a possibility that no such teachers exist in schools. So I would like to credit my success to my EduEdge teachers, kind, caring and patient with me, because I was not a very fast learner, so that I will be able to grasp the techniques well, and eventually I would succeed and score well for my English grades. Although my family was English speaking, I had a lot of difficulties in scoring for English, and the irony was that oral was a very major challenge for me, because I had no idea how to answer any of the questions at all, and usually my responses were one sentence or yes or no. So after coming to EduEdge, I have gained my confidence in speaking, and at the same time I have found back the confidence for me to pick up an English book and then tell myself that the next test paper, the next one I'm going to do, I'm going to score higher, I'm going to score a better grade than before. So it was pretty exciting, it was pretty thrilling, and it was pretty fun for me when I went through the EduEdge. But of course, one must not forget the techniques of which they impart, because these techniques that they teach are very important, and they help you understand the structures and at the same time how to score. So the techniques, SCARS, PVO, VRBIN, these are the techniques that helped me to where I am today. And at the end of the journey in EduEdge, I'm proud to say that I've made a 3-band improvement from a C6 to a B3 at O Levels. And I would want to thank my EduEdge teachers for their kind and patient teaching throughout my journey in EduEdge. Thank you.